Hey guys, it's Daniel Funke from the International Fact-Checking Network at Pointer. And on today's episode of Check It, we're talking about how to prepare for the next big viral hoax and what every newsroom can do to safeguard themselves from fake news. After most breaking news events, rumors start flying on social media, and sometimes they even attack mainstream news outlets head-on. After the school shooting in Parkland, Florida in February, someone fabricated tweets from Miami Herald reporter Alex Harris, making it look like she asked eyewitnesses for photos and video of dead bodies. Here's what she learned from that experience.
So one of the best things I learned as a way to protect myself after these fake tweets is that you can block certain phrases. And that became super helpful when I was getting dozens and dozens and hundreds of tweets and mentions every minute. I learned that there were certain phrases that people were mentioning that if I blocked, made my timeline a little easier to read because I was still trying to work while all this was going on. What really helped cut down on the misinformation was a tweet from my personal account that we retweeted from my newsrooms account. So at about 9 o'clock, when the fake tweets started appearing around 5, I tweeted saying that they were fake.
At BuzzFeed News, Jane Litvinenko regularly publishes roundups of the top viral hoaxes after each breaking news story. But while each big news event has its own set of fake news stories, they often lack originality. Here are some things that every newsroom can do to avoid falling for recurring viral hoaxes.
So I think that one of the first things that newsrooms can do to figure out in a breaking news situation what's real and what's fake is learn some tools. So one really basic one is a reverse image search, or honestly just Google what you're seeing. A lot of the times misinformation comes from fringe websites like 4chan or Reddit or even private chats. I would also say using tools like BuzzSumo, Tangle, and domain registration information is really important.
That's all for now, but you can get more tips on how to prepare for the next big viral hoax at factcheckingday.com. And stay tuned next month for another quick tutorial to help make you a better fact checker. Until next time, I'm Daniel Funke.